I'd like to discuss installing green fiber in dry, dense pack applications, starting with machines. Whether it's a compact rental unit or the largest PTO-driven truck-mounted one, the fundamental principles are the same. This is a small to mid-sized machine used by a contractor that does retrofit, as well as new construction dry, dense pack walls, and also attics. Contractors that consistently install large attics may want a higher volume machine, and spray-applied walls need a machine with a recycle hopper and other accessories. Many of the smaller machines available at rental centers are good for attic jobs, and some will also work for walls, but a dedicated contractor will want a unit with more power and throughput, a larger hopper, and also remote control. Bags are cut open and emptied into the hopper of the machine. Tines deep in the hopper break up the compressed material. That is the first stage of what we call conditioning. Below the hopper is an airlock. A slide gate operated externally controls the amount of material that enters the airlock. Most machines will have the same type of gate. The scale may be different, but the concept is the same. The more open the gate is, the more material allowed into the airlock. The more closed, the less material passes through, and the more time the material has to condition in the hopper. The airlock is much like a rotating door in a hotel. By allowing a measured amount of material to pass into and around the airlock is one of the primary controls the installer has. The paddles in the airlock rotate material to a section with a blower input and the install hose output. This blower pressure is the other adjustable control for the installer. The ratio of the gate and the blower controls are determined by the type of install. If we are installing on an attic, we would set the blower pressure reasonably high and the gate to be very open. Using the large hose straight off the machine with no reductions allows the installer to disperse the material in an open attic. The goal is to set the blower and gate for a reasonable throw of the material while still minimizing the dust during the installation. For a dense pack wall application, we may add reducers and smaller hose, creating gradual transitions to the output hose. This allows the installer to apply and compress the material into the smaller space. We also adjust the machine settings, closing the gate some and adjusting the air. Each machine will differ, but air might be a quarter and a gate might be half open.